price of each region and the product. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The following.
All right, start. All right, man. Now, I want to start with VLOOKUP. So we want to solve this sales rep problem. Okay, they only know the product code, but they don't know the price. So they want to use the code to look for want to use the product code to look for the price on this product catalog. Are you following me? Okay, so they want to use the code to look for the price on the product catalog using VLOOKUP. And VLOOKUP is a vertical lookup, only works with some vertical table, okay, and searches to the right. Okay, now equal sign. Are we together? VLOOKUP. So I guess everybody can see the syntax: lookup value, table array, column index number, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing my entire
Yes.
screen now, so I hope everybody can see that, right? Okay. So now we have lookup value, and we have lookup value, we have table array, column index number, and range lookup. Now lookup value is what you are searching for, okay, and it must exist in the first column of your table. Are you getting me? Why table array is the old table you are searching inside, okay, table you are looking for something on. Why the column index number is just a plain number, like the counting number from the left of your table. Okay, column index number. Are you with me? Okay. So now, what is our lookup value? Our lookup value is this product code here. Okay. This is what you're using to search for the price, selling price. So I'll just type CG -2. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now table array. Our table array, we are going to move to product catalog sheets. So that is where we want to get the selling price of that particular product code. Are you following? So table array, you see, I think last class we explained what this product catalog means, right? And our table array is the O table. We're going to highlight the O table, okay, from this product code down to the last selling price. Okay, you all can see it, right? Product code down to the last selling price. That's going to be our what? Table array. Okay, now the next one is column index number. Column index number. Now we said we are using this product code. We want to get the selling price. Are you getting me? We want to get the selling price. Now, where can we find selling price? Now, if you count from this product code, this is column 1, product code, column 2, product name, column 3, category, column 4, supplier name, column 5, cost price, column 6 is selling price. So our column index number is 6. Okay. Then you are going to close. Okay, before you close your parentheses, okay, now we have what we call range lookup. Okay, range lookup. Now, this range lookup is in square brackets, meaning this syntax is optional. Okay, you can choose to put it or you can just leave it out. Are you getting me? Any syntax you see in square brackets in your formula like this range lookup is optional. Okay, but we're going to put it here. Okay, I'll just show you how range lookup is. Now, in range lookup, we have what we call true. True is approximate match. Okay, approximate match, that is nearest in value. Are you getting me? Now we have false. False is exact match. We are looking for the exact match. Okay. Now we are using this CHG002 to look for selling price. So we are looking for the exact match selling price to this particular product code. Okay. So we are going to select false, then close your parenthesis. Okay, then enter. So you're going to have 12,800. So the selling price for this particular product code is 12,800. So if you go to this product catalog and go and confirm, okay, CHG002, CHG002. Now look at this, look at the selling price. This is the selling price, 12,800. So how many people got that? I hope I was not rushing.
You are rushing.
I'm rushing. Well, okay. Who got it? I'm not expecting everybody to get it, but I just want to know how many people that were following and those of us that were lost during the process. Okay, Mr. Room.
Can you please take it again, sir?
All right, sir. Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Oh, who else?
Take it again.
I should take it again. Okay. Well, I do not expect everybody to get it in their first try. Okay. So I'm running the function again. Okay. So equal sign v lookup. Okay. Equal sign v lookup. Mr.
I got it, sir.
Okay. Mr. Rome, you said why go through that long route when you can just search for okay. Now because we have the data set we are using to do this example is a very small data set. So imagine you're having a record or a data set that is running to thousands, okay, and you're asked to extract a particular information. Rep only has product code, not the price. So you want to check, okay, the sales rep want to check the selling price of this particular product code. The selling price on the table, okay, on the table, okay. So my lookup value, I'm going to type CHG, that is my lookup value, 002, right? In quotes, open quotes and close quotes, right? Then comma. Now, my table array or our table array is the product catalog table. Okay, the O table from the header down to the last value on that table. Are you getting me? That's from A4 down to F17, right? That is our table. That's table array. Once you hear table array means the whole table. They are selecting the whole table. I think I explained this, I think maybe last class or 2 classes ago. Now, once you hear range or array, okay, that you are selecting more than two, you are selecting more than one cell. Okay, you are selecting more than one cell. Array, range, you are selecting more than one cell, right? So table array, now they put table array there. Now they're asking for the whole table. That's the whole table, right? The whole table structure. That's going to be our table array. Now, column index number, okay? Column index number. Now, we want to get the selling price of this product code. Are you getting me? The selling price of this what product code. Now, once you see something like column index number, now Excel is asking which column can I find what you're looking for? Okay, and product code is in column 1, product name is in column 2, category column 3, supplier name column 4, cost price column 5, and selling price column 6. So our column index number is 6. Did you get me? Then put your comma. Now you're going to see range lookup. Now, range lookup in square brackets, we have true or false. Okay, approximate match means nearest in value. Okay, now we have exact match. Exact match means that particular thing, like that particular thing that reference this product code, the exact match. Okay, now we are going to select exact match. False is exact match. You can type false. Okay, you can type false like this, or you can just select it. Are you with me? Close your parentheses, then enter. Now you can see we have extracted this information from this table. We have the information here using our VLOOKUP. So how many people got it?
I got it. Yeah.
Got it. Okay, let me paste. Who else? Who else? Who else? Okay. Who else again? Who else again? Okay. Mr. Stephen.
Sir, sorry, sir. After
Okay, sir.
that catalog, I didn't see clearly the figure that is there. After that catalog, so the F17, I got that. Is it number 6 or what? After the F17.
Yeah, 6. That's the column index number. 6.
6, and then false, right?
Then false, yes, sir. Who else is with me? Miss Esther, you're completely lost. Where are you? So we can look for you and find you. Okay, Mr. Charles. Send. Miss Esther, I said you didn't get any of it. Like everything. I just joined in the session. I just joined the session. Okay, so I want to run example number 2. Okay, we have a second example on our screen, and the question is, what is the supplier name for product code AUD001? Okay, what is the supplier name for product code AUD001?
Soundwave Trader.
Nice, Soundwave Trader. Okay, we are going to use our lookup to extract that information. Okay, we want to use this AUD001 to get the supplier name. Are you with me? We want to use this is our lookup value. We want to use it to get the supplier name. Okay. Equal sign V lookup. Equal sign V lookup. So our lookup value in code is AUD dash 1, right? Then we are going to move to the table array. Okay, the table array is the O table. Don't forget, once you see table array in VLOOKUP, just know that it's the O table you are selecting plus the header. Okay. Now, column index number. We're asked to get the supplier name. Now, where can we find this column? Supplier name.
Column.
Supplier name is in
Column 4.
2, 3, 4. Yeah, column 4. Column 4. Okay. And comma, you're going to see exact match. We are using exact match for this. Okay. Exact match. That is AUD must be exact. That must match this supplier name. Okay. Enter. So we have Soundwave Trader. Soundwave Trader is a supplier name for this product code AD001. So Mr. Aaron got it. Who else again got it? Miss Esther. What's Miss Esther Alpha? All right, kind of. You said kind of. Okay. Who else?
Yeah,
Miss
I've
Gladys.
gotten it already. I've gotten it.
Mr. John. You've gotten it.
Yeah.
I got it. Soundwave traders.
Okay.
Can you please recap, sir, please?
Okay. So the question is what is the supplier name for product code AUD001? Okay. Equal sign. So our lookup value is the AUD001. Our table array is the O table. Okay. Then the column index number, that's where it can find our supplier name. Okay. Our supplier name is the column index. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's column 4. The supplier name is 4 and comma exact match. Okay. Now I have Soundwave Trader. So let me paste the formula. Miss Moni, I didn't get your question. Is this supposed to be in? Okay, for those of us that have gotten it, I want you to get the cost price for this product code BAG01. So
16,000.
16,000. Okay.
Yeah,
Mr. Roma,
16K.
16K. All right. Who else?
16,000.
16,000. Okay. Who else again? Who else? How about the rest now? What's going on? Okay, Mr. Caleb. All right. Is it Miss Favor or Mr. Favor? Okay, so I want to run it myself. Okay, so we're moving to H lookup. Okay, H lookup. This H lookup is horizontal lookup. Okay, it deals with horizontal table. Your table that's now if you look at this
So
table
sorry,
we
sir. I haven't got that third one, sir. Please.
have
If
not
you
gotten the
can,
third one.
may you please record? Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah, I'm sending the formula to the chat.
Sir,
Check it. Yes, sir.
sir, I have an idea.
Yes, sir.
Rather
Okay,
than send the formula to the chat, especially after the
okay,
first
sir.
one, can maybe people, if they don't get it, send their own formulas to the chat so that you can now correct where the mistake is.
Yeah.
That way they won't make it again. Because if you just do this one, they'll just copy and paste it and you may not
And they
get
won't
it.
be able to do that on their own.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you for that, sir. Right. So for those of us that are using laptop, you can just copy and paste your formula to the chat and let me just correct that. Okay. Okay, so H lookup. So H lookup does the exact same job as V lookup, but it's sideways. Okay, so H means the horizontal because it searches straight across a row. Okay, V lookup searches across column, while H lookup searches across row. Okay, are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now look at my product catalog. This is how the table looks like, right? And I'm going to use the regional price lists. Now look at this regional price list. Okay, we are going to use H lookup to extract some information from this regional price list. Okay, I have products here. These are all my products, and these are my regions and the price list. Okay, regions and my price list. Okay, so now the problem here is price differ by branch. So the manager needs one branch price fast. Okay, so what's the wireless charger price in Ibadan branch? Okay, the syntax is the same. It's just that we don't have column index number. We have row index number. In VLOOKUP, we have column index number, but in HLOOKUP, we have row index number. Okay, so I'll be running HLOOKUP now, and this HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, it's very old function. Like it's very, 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 very old. Like it's one of the functions that rolled out when Excel came out back then. Okay, and companies don't really use HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP again, but it is still very good for you to know HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Okay. So I'll be running H lookup. My lookup value, okay, my lookup value is Ibadan. Are you with me? My lookup value is Ibadan because we want to get the class. The question is, what is the wireless charger price in Ibadan branch? Okay. My lookup value is Ibadan. Then now my table array is the whole table. Okay, that's my table array, right? Now it's asking for rule index number. Now, what is our rule index number? Now, we want to look for the wireless charger price in Ibadan branch. Wireless charger. Okay, where can we find wireless charger? So I'm counting from product. Product is our first row. iPhone case is our second. Screen protector, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So wireless charger is on the 8th row, right? 8th row. So I'll just put 8 as the row index number. Then range lookup. Close your parentheses, then enter. Okay. Now the price of wireless charger in Ibadan branch is 13,450. If I go to my regional branch and check for wireless charger in Ibadan, this is the problem.
So excuse me, sir, it's like it's in the 7th row, not 8th row.
It is 8, sir. It is 8. What are we looking for? It's not wireless charger, not Samsung charger, wireless charger.
Kindly take again, sir.
So you're going to be counting the header. Thank you, Mr. Room. So you're counting the header. Okay, the header is that the product is going to be row 1, right? iPhone case row 2. So if you count it down, wireless charger will be row 8. Okay, I'm taking it again. Equal sign H lookup. Equal sign H lookup. So my lookup value is Ibadan. Right? Then my table array is the whole table, right? Then my row index number is where I can find wireless charger. So I'm counting from product down to wireless charger. So that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wireless charger. So I'll put 8 as my row index number, comma, and range lookup is exact match. The exact match. This is the exact match. 13,450. That's the wireless charger price in Ibadan branch. So many people got that. How many people got it?
Yeah, I've got it. I got it.
All right. You look like I'll just do one, then the rest, everybody will do it. But the rest, you guys will do it yourself. Oh.
Please, I haven't got it, sir.
I haven't gotten it, sir. What is the challenge, sir?
I've got a table array.
Okay. You've gotten the table array. Now the next syntax there is row index number. That is where you're going to find wireless charger. You're going to count for the product. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I can't see your screen.
Can't see my screen. What's going on?
Okay, I just got it now.
Can see
I just got it now. Thank you.
All right, sir. Everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
I can
yeah,
see
we
the
can.
screen.
So if you have gotten wireless charger price in Ibadan branch, I want you to get the USB hub price in Abuja branch. Okay. I want you to get the USB hub price in Abuja branch. How many people have gotten it? It's not that hard now.
My system is down. I'll be doing it later.
Okay, Mr. Rome, 5,650. Okay. Who else? It's not that serious. It's not that serious. Not that serious. Okay, Mr. Bayodi. Who else?
I've got it, sir.
Doesn't it, sir?
I've got it, sir.
All right. So should I still run it or I should just move to the next one?
I think you should run it one more time, please.
All right.
Yes.
All right. USB hub price in Abuja branch using HD hub. So my lookup value is Abuja. All right. Then the table array is my regional price list table. Okay. Starting from the product down to the last value, 7,900. That's A4 down to E17. Right? Then my row index number, that is the row where I can find wireless charger. So I'm going to start counting from products. Product is 1, and from case 2, screen protector 3, phone holder, and phone holder for USB hub 5, Type-C cable 6, Samsung charger 7, and wireless charger. What? Wireless charger is what? 8. I'm going to put 8 as the row index number, right? And comma. Range lookup, we are looking for the exact match. We're looking for the exact match. So exact match is false. And enter. Wait, I think I made a mistake. I think I made a mistake somewhere. What am I
You
looking
must
for?
have missed something, sir.
Oh, it's supposed to be
USB up price.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry. USB up price is 5. Sorry, I made a mistake. I was doing the other one.
It's 5, sir.
It's 5. Sorry. So enter. Thank you. Okay. So that's it. So who got the laptop bag price for Port Harcourt?
I did.
Who is that? Who was that voice? Who said that? Okay, Mr. Rome, 22,050. Yeah, nice. Who else again? All right. Miss Simone. Nice, that's good. And I see you all are following. That's good. Okay, so let me run it again. Let me run the Let me run the
Sir, please, I have a funny question.
okay. So the funny question.
Oh. Hello?
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Okay, so I want to ask, why do you have to end it with pause? I
Okay,
mean
that is the range
the
lookup, right?
instruction.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's the
Pause.
option given to us by Excel. Okay, you know I told you anytime you're running your formula, always follow the syntax. This lookup, table array, row index number, range lookup. So now once we get to range lookup, the option there, we have true for approximate match, and we have false for exact match. So we are looking for the exact match. We are not looking for nearest value or nearest in value also. You're looking for the exact match. Okay, what matches a particular lookup value.
Okay.
Do you get it now?
Okay.
That's why we are
Yes, sir.
ending it.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
Port Harcourt, stable array. Okay, now. Oh, I didn't put. Hey, Jesus. So I go to press this. Nice quiet now. That made a mistake. Oh. Okay. So I've done that for Port Harcourt branch. So you can see the price of laptop bag in Port Harcourt branch. The price of laptop bag in Port Harcourt branch. So the next
I think I missed something else, sir. Please, that protocol, could you just do a brief recap, please? The cost of laptop bag in protocol.
okay, laptop bag.
I think I'm skipping something in the formula.
Now, my lookup value is the Port Harcourt. Are you with me? Right? My lookup value is the Port Harcourt. Then my table array is this old table here, right? The old table is my table array. Then comma, then my row index number, where Port Harcourt, where laptop bag is, that's row 13. If you count from product down here, row 13, right? Put 13 there. Then comma, then false will be exact match. Close the parentheses. Then you get this.
I've got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, sir. Okay, so we have another function. Okay, index and match. Now, this index and match are two separate functions, right? And this function function is was created by people that were limited to VLOOKUP function. Like they could not perform some particular search on a table. Now, VLOOKUP is limited to only searching to the right. Okay, imagine that you are searching to the left. You cannot use VLOOKUP. Are you getting me? So HLOOKUP is horizontal table. Nothing more than that. It's just the same thing with VLOOKUP. So people came up with index and match. I say, okay, index and match, because index is a function that give you a position number. Okay, sorry. You give index a position number, and it goes to the exact spot in a list or a column and tells you what is sitting in that column or that particular list. Okay, that's index. So match is match is also a function that it only tells you the position number of something inside a column or a list. Do you understand? So they now added those two functions together. Okay, they added those two functions together, and they came up with something like match finds the position of something, while index uses that position to go and fetch for the real answer. You understand? So it is just two functions coming together to perform lookup. Are you with me? I'm ready to go that. Are you
Yes.
with me? The two functions coming together to just perform a lookup function, right? So match just give you a number, while index reads a number. Do you understand? So now we have a problem here that VLOOKUP cannot fix. Okay, that's the supplier name. Okay, supplier name. So the question here is account only has the supplier name, Mobitech Supplies. So who is the contact person? Who is the contact person of Mobitech Supplies? Mobitech Supplies. Who is the contact person of Mobitech Supplies? Now, VLOOKUP start from here and searches to this place. Okay. Why with index and match, you can search from here down to this place. Okay, from left to right, from right to left or left to right. You can search anywhere. But VLOOKUP is just limited from just search using starting from your left down to your right. Okay, so index and match. Now this is how we use index and match. Okay, this is how we type in index and match. Okay, the index always comes first. Okay, the index always what comes first. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so so the array. So you can see array. Now, if you'll be wondering, what is this array? What is this array? Okay. What is this array? Now, so please hold on. I'm trying to do something. Okay. Sorry for that. So now I was saying equal sign index. Now array, you see array row number. So I'm not running this. I'm running index and match together. I'm running these two functions together, not separately. Okay. So index, you see array. So we are going to go to this supplier directory. What is going to be our array? Our array is the contact person. Okay. Our array what is the contact person starting from the name, not the header. Are you with me? Starting from the name, not the header.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm starting from Femi Adigun down to Ifeanyi or Kafo, right? This is going to be our array. Are you with me? So, comma. Now, what is supposed to be our row number? We are going to just add match. Okay, now to the index and match, we are running it together. Okay, running it together. So index is going to be, that's index. Let me come again from. So index, we're going to start from the contact person, which is going to be our array, right? Then what is supposed to be our row number? It will be match function, where we have lookup value, lookup array, and match type. Actually, I love index and match so much. Like I use index and match so much. I love index and match. Okay, one of those functions I love in Excel. So now our lookup value is Mobitech. We're trying to use Mobitech to get the contact person. Okay. Mobitech supplies. Okay. Mobitech supplies, right? That is our lookup value, comma, lookup array. Okay, the lookup array is where Mobitech is located. Are you with me? Lookup array is where Mobitech is located. And comma, match type. Now in VLOOKUP, we have lookup, we have range lookup, false and true, true and false, right? In index and match, we have what we call match type. Now, this is where we have less than, exact match, or greater than. Now, 1 signifies less than, 0 signifies exact match, while -1 signifies greater than. Now, we are not looking for less than, okay, or we are not looking for greater than. We are looking for the exact match. Okay, exact match. So exact match is 0. You select it. You are closing your parentheses twice because we have 2 functions in our formula. That's index is our first function with first parenthesis open. Match is our second function with the second parenthesis open. And you're going to close the parentheses twice. One for index, one for match. Then enter. Okay, and Meg below is the contact person to this supplier name. Who is that?
I'm lost too. I'm lost.
You are lost.
Very lost.
Very lost. Okay.
So I can't even see your page. Oh.
You cannot
I
see my
cannot
page.
see the code you.
Yeah. Who else again? You not see my page. Who else again? You not see my page. Oh, no, I'm not seeing it. I'm just trying to see it. So, but before I proceed, how many people got it? Let me know who followed or just. How many people got it? Nobody. Okay, Mr. Rome. Mr. Rome got it. Okay, for those of us that are lost, I'm running it again. Index and match. You don't mind the long formula, okay? Long formula. Now I'm starting with index. What am I having actually? When you are using index and match, you start with index, right? Index. So index, you have array. Okay, array. Now our array is the contact person from Femia. They go down to Okafor. We are not selecting the contact person. That's the header. Okay, it's just from the first name down to the last name. Are we together? Then put a comma, match. Okay, match. Now, what is our lookup value? Our lookup value is the Mobitech supplies. Okay, Mobitech supplies. You want to use Mobitech to search for the contact name from this table. Okay, that is what our lookup value. I'm going to type Mobitech. Put your comma. Now, lookup array. Lookup array is where Mobitech is located. Lookup value, lookup array. Lookup array is where Mobitech is located. That's the range Okay, you're going to just highlight from the first supplier name down to the last supplier name. Okay, that's the lookup array. I told you, I think I made mention of it last class about array and range, right? Okay, so the comma again, and you're going to see match type. Now, in VLOOKUP, we have exact match and approximate match. But in index and match, we have less than, exact match, and greater than. So if you look at the screen, you see 1 is less than, 0 is exact match, and -1 is greater than. We are not looking for anything less than Mobitech, or we are not looking for anything greater than Mobitech supply or the contact name. We are looking for the exact match. Okay, what matches this Mobitech supply? So we are using this Mobitech supplies to get the contact person. Okay, we are looking for the exact match. 0 is the number exact match. Now you have to close your parentheses twice because we have two functions in our formula. Two functions in our formula. Index is the number one function. Okay, index, and you can see index open parentheses. There's a bracket open before supply the directory. Okay, now we are going to, and we have a match again, another open parenthesis. So now this parenthesis here, we are closing it for match. So we want to close the second parenthesis is for index. So we are using two parentheses because we are running two functions. If you are running three functions in a formula, you are closing your parentheses 3 times. Are you with me? Enter. So Ahmed Bello is the supplier name for Mobitech supplies, or is the contact person for Mobitech supplies. So it's only Mr. Rome that got it. What about the rest? Actually, this is the simple example I can actually come up with in index and match. We have complex examples that if you see it, you're ready to just, I don't know. Okay, this is actually the simplest. Okay, Mr. John got it. Miss Moyoliwa got it. Okay, who else again? Now, if you didn't get this index, this simple example, I'm not sure you can actually face the tougher one. It's one of the simplest examples. Okay, Mr. Ron, is it possible to have
I didn't get it too.
You can only use one index, but you can use multiple match in a formula. Okay, index is going to be the array, but let's say you are looking for contact person for contact person for who and who again. Let me just contact person for maybe Mobitech supplies, and I'm looking for an example that you can come up with that can use two match in a formula, because you can use two match, not just one, but only one index. Yes, there's a problem that can want you to use too much because of we are just, this is our first time coming. This is the first time coming across index and match. Okay, this is our first time coming across index and match. So I cannot bring in the complex example. I have to bring in the simplest one that, like, very, very simple. Okay, you are going to actually face. Okay, we have complex one, like the one that are more advanced. Let me call it advanced index and match. So you share the formula. Okay. Okay, somebody said they didn't get it. Is it Mr. Charles? Or who said it?
No, I got it too.
Okay, you put it. Okay, so Who said okay? Please share the formula on the chat box. Let me see your own formula first before I even share my own. Miss our wait together.
Actually, I didn't even get it at all because my network was fluctuating. So I requested for the formula so that I can go through and see how it's done. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, then let me just send. So we can just done with this. Let me just send it, please. And now the next question is what's the phone number for the supplier names Sound Wave Trader? The phone number of the supplier name Soundwave Trader. Like we want to get the trader. Now we're gonna start. Maybe this table is running to like 100 now. Start looking for Soundwave Trader, Soundwave Trader, Soundwave Trader, Soundwave. Even me, I even created this table. Was there when I got to the question, I was like, okay, let me even try and let me look for something that is very, very hard. Okay, I said, okay, Soundwave Trader is one of it. So I want you to look for the phone number supplier name or supplier name Soundwave Trader using index and match. I'll run it, but I just want you to try. Just try, please. Try. Okay. Okay. Miss Munyoluwa. Okay, you got it. Okay, okay, for those of us that haven't getting it, can you just paste your formula? Paste your formula, let me even see it. Because you can just go there and go and search. Just use your eyes and look for it. Okay, paste your formula, let me see it. Miss Moy, Mr. Rome, Mr. Bayode, just paste your formula, let me even see it. Okay. Okay. Miss Moy, I'm waiting for yours.
I'm actually using two different devices. So I'm working on one with the formula and listening with the second device. That's why I cannot paste it. But I
Yeah.
actually did it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes, I did it.
Okay, so let me copy some of this formula and paste. Okay, let me use Mr. Let me Mr. Person's formula. It's not bright. Okay. Okay, it is correct. Nice one, Mr. Bayo. Nice one, Mr. Rome. Nice one. Who else again? Who else, please? Who else? Who else got it? What's going on with everybody now? Are we tired? Miss Gladys, what's going on? Are you with us?
I'm with you. I'm on it.
Is that why you're breathing like this? Calm down. It's not that hard, though. Okay, for those of us that have gotten that's the phone number for the sound wave. I want you to get the rating and paste the formula for. Okay.
Hello, sir. Please, I have a
Yes,
question.
sir, Mr. Christian.
Why is it that we have some answers on the right hand side and some answers on the left hand side?
Okay, we have numbers to our right, text to our left. So when we started this lab, we talked about data types and formatting. Right? So we have text to the left, while
Oh,
numbers.
yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay, yeah, that's true.
So don't mind this phone number. Don't mind it. Yeah. Okay. This phone number is not this phone number is formatted to the left because of the zero in front of the number.
In front of the number. Okay. Yeah.
Good.
You
understand? Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. For those of us that have gotten the rating, let me see the formula. Let me test the formula. Maybe it will work. Okay. Okay, 4. Nice. Okay, so we've done VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, and match. So let's move to XLOOKUP real quick. Okay, XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP, some people call it versatile lookup, some people call it extended lookup, some people call it extra lookup, some people call it any name. The X is just, I don't know what it stands for though, but to me, I call it extended lookup, right? Okay, it's one of the latest function, okay, because of people were complaining that okay, this index and match were not giving this vibe. Okay, if you use index and match to look for something on a list or on a table and you can't find that particular thing, okay, it will return value. It will return error value, right? It will return an error value. Okay, but with XLOOKUP, you can actually customize your error, your error. Okay, you can say if this particular thing is not found on this list of this table, okay, give me this. Do you understand? So XLOOKUP is more just like a versatile lookup. Okay, it runs search up, down, left, right, anywhere, center. With me, okay, it's not limited to one particular. So it's not limited to one particular or configure to one particular thing. Okay, you can use XLOOKUP, and this is
It's like all in one, Abby.
all in one. Yes, sir, all in one, like all in one. It's better than index, match, HLOOKUP, and VLOOKUP. But I still prefer index and match though. Okay, I just love index and match. I don't know why. To me, it's simple, and XLOOKUP is actually the simplest in all of them. This one they are going to do column index number, row index number. Index are going to be doing array, lookup value, lookup is no. In XLOOKUP is not like that. Okay, it's different. So we have the question here is the question on our screen here is accounts the same is the same question with index and match, right? Okay, same question, but we are going to it's just the same question that account only has supplier name, will be text supplies. So who is the contact person? We all know that it's Ahmed Boipelo, right? We are going to use XLOOKUP to get this answer. Okay. So my formula bar XLOOKUP. My formula bar XLOOKUP. Now please don't mind the long syntax, okay? Okay, so we have lookup value, lookup array, and return array. Now I told you that the things in the square bracket are optional, right? You can leave it out. You can just leave it. Okay, but the cocoa, as the important ones are the lookup value, lookup array, and the return array. I hope you get me. So we have in the square bracket, we have if not found, we have match mode, we have search mode. We are not doing match mode or search mode today, or we are not doing it. Just leave it out. So we are going to be covering this if not found. Okay. But now look at the syntax: lookup value, lookup array, return array. This is very simple. It's just for very simple. Okay. So our lookup value is maybe remember when we did index and match. Okay. Our lookup value is Mobitech, right? Mobitech supplier. Mobitech supplies. Sorry. Supplies. That's our lookup value. So lookup array. So what's going to be our lookup array? You remember the index?
The table and the phone number. The table and the contact person or something.
Okay.
The
Lookup array. Now, when you see lookup value, what is going to be the lookup array?
That would be the old table.
No. Let me come again.
The column with the
value.
supplier's number.
Array.
The column with the supplier's name, rather.
Correct. Yeah, the column with the supplier name. Okay, lookup value. Now, if our lookup value was one of the contact person, our lookup array is going to be the contact person column. Do you get that? If our lookup value is one of the phone number, our lookup array is going to be all the phone numbers on the column. Do you get that? So lookup array is the what's name, the supplier name, comma. Now we have return array. Now return array, we are trying to get the contact person for the supplier, Mobitech, right? So return array is going to be the contact person. Now, by default, XLOOKUP is going to use exact match. Are you with me? XLOOKUP is going to use exact match. Ma? So what do you say?
Okay.
What do you say?
I wasn't seeing your page initially, sir. I can see it now.
Okay, so as I was saying, I said by default, XLOOKUP is going to give you the exact match. But let me show you something. Comma, if not found, comma, exact match. Now, in match mode, we have exact match. We have exact match or next smaller item. We have exact match or next larger or the next larger item. We have 2 wildcard character match. We have 3 regress match. Now, all these things I'm mentioning, yeah, all these things are advanced level, right? Now, by default, Excel is going to select exact match for you. So there's no need going to the match mode. I get to me. You can just leave it, or if you want, okay, you want to be sure, you want the Excel to get the exact match, you can just come and say, okay, let me select this exact match so my answer will be correct. Okay, but you can just leave it out, right, and just close your parentheses and enter. Okay, so we just did in this XLOOKUP now, we just did lookup value, lookup array, and return array. We're not doing any array, lookup value, we're not doing column number, column this. No, it's just straightforward. Lookup value, lookup array, return array. That is why XLOOKUP is the best lookup function. I hope you got that. Hello. Hope I was not talking to myself.
No, we got it. We got it.
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, please come again.
The XLOOKUP, right? I should come again. Okay, so I'm coming again with the XLOOKUP.
Yes, sir.
So for those of you that have gotten it, I want to just put your formula. I don't need the answer. I just want the formula. Okay, lookup value. My lookup value is Mobitech supplier. Now, because if you look at the question, account only has supplier name. Mobitech supplier. So who is the contact person? That's the contact person, the person attached to this supplier name. Okay. Now lookup value is the Mobitech supplier. So the lookup array. Okay, lookup array, that's where Mobitech is located. It's our lookup array. Okay, where Mobitech is located, our lookup array. Our return array is where we want X lookup to look for the contact person. Okay, that's our return array. And we have our made below. Okay, Mr. Rome, I've seen your formula. What else is doing? Okay, Mr. Biotic. It's only two people. Those two persons that have got this. What's going on with the rest? Miss Moin, are you with us? Have you gotten it?
Sir, I have, but it seems the formula is not working on my own. It's not giving me the same results, sir.
Which you're not giving the same result.
It's showing me name like hero, like I don't
Like,
know.
okay, let me even ask which Excel are you using? Like what year?
I can't.
Like what?
Do
Which
you
Excel are
need
you?
your Excel?
Yeah, your Excel. What year is your Excel?
I sincerely don't know.
What do you say? Yeah, I didn't get you.
I don't know, but I don't know the year.
Okay, you don't know the year. Okay, now if you want to check,
But it has been giving me the yes,
if you
sir.
want to, okay, just look at your screen. Look at your screen. If you want to check the year of your Excel, anybody, just go to File. Okay, your File tab, close to your Home tab. Okay,
Okay.
once you click on File,
Yes.
right, you go down
Yeah.
to Account. I don't know if anywhere you see Account on the left hand. Okay, anywhere you see
Okay. Yes.
Account, click on Account. You want to see the
Okay. That's 2019.
is it 2019? So
Yes, sir.
I guess X lookup have not been rolled out 2019. I think it's from 2021. Okay.
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 So
Okay.
2021, this is 2021, 2024, 365.
Okay.
So an
Okay.
old version of Excel like 2019, 16, 13. I guess you need to have the
It's
X lookup.
on here. Okay. So thank you, sir.
Okay. So the last question for today is, what is the selling price for product code DISC 9999? Now, I have to just put a discontinued code that does not exist. Okay. Now, for example, now I'm going to run this. I'm going to run the I'm going to run this. If now I'm going to run this and I'm going to use this as my that's my lookup value, right? Now I want to check, maybe we have this I want to check, maybe we have the selling price for this product code. Are you getting me? I want to check, maybe we have this selling price for this product code. Let's say I do not know. Sorry. So I'm going to be using the products. So my this thing is my lookup array. The products code column. My return array is the selling price. And I'm having error NA. NA. Now, the reason why I'm having this NA error is that Excel went to look for that particular product code. They did not find it. Okay, they did not find it. There's no record for that product code DSC999. It was discontinued. Okay, I put it there, it was discontinued. Now, if you have something like this NA error, now in your syntax, if you look at after return array, we have if not found. Now, this if not found is that if XLOOKUP go to the list and look for something and it could not find that particular value or record. Now, what is going to be your if not found? That if not found. Now, what are you going to replace that error that is going to return? What are you going to replace that error with? Okay, it's just like if error. I don't know if you have heard of if error, if NA in Excel. And we didn't do that because of our time. Okay, so this if not found is if XLOOKUP could not find any matching record of this DISC product code. I want you to return it as a discontinued a discontinued item. Okay, closing this discontinued item. So I replaced that error, that NA error, with discontinued item. So if the manager is asking that, help me look for this product code. I want to do something with it. You understand? And maybe the company has actually discontinued that particular product. It's not on the product backlog again, and you can just put discontinued item instead of having the NA error. Okay, that's one thing about XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP can actually change a error, and you can actually convert an error with something or change an error with something else. Okay, so how many people got the second question? Anybody got the second question? Okay, let me see your formula. Okay, who else got it? Who else got it? All right. All right. All right, Mr. All right. All right. All right. So I'll be rounding up the class of today. So we are done with the lookup functions. VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index and match, and XLOOKUP. These are the lookup functions. Okay. Lookup functions, we use it to solve real problem today. So our first problem was the sales rep only has product code, not the price. So we use the product code to get the price. Okay, and HLOOKUP, index and match, and XLOOKUP. That's all for today session. So next week we are moving into data cleaning and pivot table. Okay, data cleaning and pivot table. I think next week is going to be data for this Excel, right?
Sorry,
All right. So thank you for having me. data cleaning, right? Data cleaning and pivot table. Did you get that?
Okay.
Sorry that the class took this
Yeah.
long today. I was trying to cover everything to don't also like take this to the next class. All right, thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
Hello, sir. Thank you. It's possible.
Okay, I think somebody dropped the link in the chat.
Check the chat box.
I think it's Mr. Rome. Abi?
Sorry, Mr. Dwight, good evening. Can I please be heard?
Yes, sir. I'm listening to you,
Yes,
sir.
okay. Thank you for the wonderful session. So, my question is just straightforward. Fortunately, I couldn't practice today, but then I wanted to confirm, apart from this quite straightforward in quotes, although they are not actually straightforward. What can we get like other examples like or assignments where we can easily, for example, where we can work in between like two worksheets or workbook as the case may be. Like for example, let's say for this class, you know that for the people that started this Webo training now, for example, let's assume that 100 people started, and then in another worksheet, the number of people that are currently here. So,
Okay.
for example, if you want to now check out of the number of people that are currently here, the number of people that started from the beginning that are currently
Okay.
still here, we can easily use VLOOKUP for all of that. So it could get confusing. So if you can get example, I don't know, maybe some other time or maybe as assignment or
Okay.
something, we would appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I will try and simulate a practical example for